Hello, it's Helen here. Today, let's cook scrambled eggs with tomato. Put the tomato in boiled water for 1 minute. Run the cold water to peel off the skin. Ta-da! Cut the tomato into half and remove the core. Get each half into 8 smaller pieces. Chop, chop, chop. Here is minced garlic. Crack eggs and stir them aggressively for 30 seconds. Drizzle some oil. Pull the eggs down when the pan is really hot. You can feel it with your hand. Stir the eggs until they turn to yellow-brown. Take out eggs and drizzle some oil. Cook the garlic to brown color. Add tomato and cook them for around 1 minute. Add the water, soy sauce, sugar, and salt. Add the eggs and cook for 1 more minute. Here it is. Enjoy your flavored scrambled eggs with tomato.